Hey guys, this is Jeremy and welcome to Santosec. First of all, I wanted to wish you all a very happy new year 2020 and may this year be better than the previous one. So, OSCP My Journey. I was supposed to take my exam on January 10th, but due to the holidays and my kid got sick, I didn't work for 2 weeks and a half, so I lost a lot of things and I didn't feel ready. So I rescheduled my exam to the end of February. When I got back on the courses, it became really hard for me to get back at it. It became very difficult. I had to learn back all the reflex. I followed the course, the 7-hour video one more time, but this time I understood it all better, and now it's just a methodology and just the reflexes. So I think I'm getting pretty close to it, but my main issue, if I would say, is time management. I can do a box or a machine in 24 hours, but I can definitely not do 5 machines in 24 hours yet, at least. So I guess what I have to do is practice and practice and practice until I became more fluent in hacking. So I'll be back on Twitch this week more regularly because I haven't been live on Twitch either. I didn't do Hack the Box. I didn't do nothing. I just had to take care of my kids, and so now they're back to school, so I can get back at it again. I took 1 month of extension lab, so I can keep on practice on the OSCP machines. So as usual, I will keep you posted. In the meantime, you can talk to me on Twitter, you can talk to me on Twitch, you can talk to me on LinkedIn, you can talk to me on MySpace, even though I don't have MySpace anymore. But yeah, you can reach me anywhere you want. So thank you guys for listening, and I see you next time.